Kodhi nyime ni duol mochung' ne ute fwambe pacho kamano MCK wuok tung' mosuo kod achudhe mar yore weche fwambo. Jaratije mar MCK David Omuoyo ne olero ni achudhego yudo kadi mag fwambo midendo yore ma ok owinjore kagi loso kadi go kendgi. Tiyo gi nonro mag jofwambo moko kaachiel kod tiyo gi kadi mandalogi oserumo ka dwaro margi en yudo omenda. Omuoyo jiwo ni duol mar MCK biro bero nonro manie kadi mayango jofwambo mar neno ni gidino rode ma jofwambo ma ok opuodhi tiyogo. MCK bende jiwo jofwambo ma ochung' kar kendgi mondo ndikre kod riwruoge mag fwambo ma pacho ka mondo miyo yangi kaka owinjore. Duol mar MCK olero ni gidhi duoko kadi mong'ere kaka press card ma jofwambo tiyo godo sani mar rido nono jofwambo kendo miyo gi kadi manyien mabiro bedo kod ranyisi mag yango jafwambo e lor lony manyasani.
First of all,
we need to strengthen and make it very, very stringent to get accreditation from MCK. And I believe that this is a discussion that has been going on. I was not here, but I'm sure all of us are for the common cause, for the common good of this industry. You can only practice journalism and also feel and get that pride as a professional if you are respected. Even me as a journalist, when I walk in here and I introduce myself to the security down there that I'm a journalist, I want them to respect me and accord me the respect they will give to a doctor. If a doctor comes in here and says that I'm a doctor so-and-so practicing at Kenyatta National Hospital.
We are not criminalizing freelancing, but we are saying people must belong. If you are not in any media house that can recommend you, your association where you belong can recommend you. And that will be acceptable. So we are aware that journalism is not only in the newsroom today. There are people who are doing work outside. So Editors Guild, KUJ, Association, KCA will recommend people who have no problem. And so that if there's an issue, we come back to you. You are the person who recommended the person to us. Take responsibility. And equally, like the chairman was saying, if somebody has left to a media house, as a responsible employer, why can't you write to the Media Council of Kenya and say, the names we sent to you early in the year of the following 5, 2 have left. They are no longer our staff. Take that responsibility. So this thing is a collective responsibility.